Hi students, in this video we will solve this problem. Show that tan square theta plus tan power 4 theta is equal to secant power 4 theta minus secant square theta. Okay, alright, let us take LHS first. Tan square theta plus tan power 4 theta. What can we take common from these two terms? What can we take common from these two terms? We can take tan square theta. See here, if it is confusing, let us write it as tan square. I am writing tan square. Tan power 4, I am writing it as tan square theta multiplied by tan square theta. Two times. So that it will become tan power 4 theta only, right? So see, what can we take common? We can take tan square theta common. So 1 plus here tan square theta will come. If you are having doubts, just multiply tan square into 1 is tan square into tan square is tan power 4. Okay. Now we know identities. Okay. We know this secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Okay. We know this identity. Alright. So if we send tan on the other side, secant square will become 1 plus tan square theta. Why are we using this identity? See, on LHS we have tans, on RHS we have secants. So this tans somehow should be converted to secants. So can we convert 1 plus tan square? See, 1 plus tan square into secant square. Can we write 1 plus tan square into secant square? Yes. So this is tan square and this whole part which is there inside the brackets will become secant square. 1 plus tan square, it is equal to secant square. Okay. Alright. Now let us try to convert this tan also in terms of secant. How can we do that? See, we have tan square. Here we have secant square. If we send 1 this side, it will become secant square minus 1. This plus 1 goes on LHS, becomes minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. So in place of this tan square theta, can we write secant square minus 1? Yes. So in place of this tan square theta, let us write secant square minus 1 multiplied by this secant square. Okay. Now multiply secant square multiplied by secant square is how much? Secant power 4 theta minus secant square multiplied by 1 secant square theta. RHS secant square power 4 minus secant square theta. Okay. We can prove it like this. And in the previous video we have studied there are many methods of solving this, right? We can use